Good morning, Astig. Nag-snow ulit. Nag-snow ulit oh. Akala ko wala ng snow. Last na yung huling blizzard. Astig oh, nag-snow ulit. Akala ko tapos na yung snow. First time ko mapanood yung snow sa umaga. Dito sa New York.
Nataw phenomenon ng tao. Ba't siya naghahanap ng sodium chloride sa katawan? Deadly poison yun, no? Ginamit sa World War I, chloride was one of them. Yung nitro, kasama na rin. Kaya lang, pag unang advice ng doktor, hindi kikita. Marami ng pasyente yan, wala nang pala problema.
Palakas pa ng palakas sa snowfall oh. Wow, astig oh. First time ko makita mag-snow dito sa bintana ng umaga.
Snowflakes. Three lang eh. 3 degrees.
Alam natin tapos ng snow.
Yeah.
Simba time, Simba day. Today Sunday. Okay.
Good morning.
Morning, how are you? How would you?
Pa, umatras, pa.
Sunday Mass today at St. Patrick's Cathedral. Sobrang ganda. Naglabasan na lahat ng flags ng Amerika. Tignan niyo yun. Ganda na St. Patrick's Cathedral. Alam ko, finisher ito sa Home Alone if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, let's go inside. Mami, papa. Mami, dito tayo gitna. Para ma-video. Dito sa likod doon.
And all his works to be trusted. The Lord loves justice and right, and his merciful love fills the earth. Lord, let your mercy be on us, as we place our trust in you. Yes, the Lord's eyes are on those who be on us, as we place our trust in you. Our soul is waiting for the Christ.
Well, the gospel today is a little insight into the mind of his followers, what is present to Jesus all the time. The awareness, his divinity, and his awareness of how his mission, fulfilling the Father's mission, the mission the Father has given him, how that fits into the whole history of salvation.
Tapos sa Mass. Mami, dito kayo. Pipicturean ko lang sila and then magla-lunch na kami. Ganda, ganda ng view, ganda ng angle, ganda ng sky, ganda ng church. Today, Sunday, St. Patrick's Cathedral. Sobrang ganda, sobrang laki. Tapos in front of St. Patrick's Cathedral. Ito. Tignan nyo. All the hotels here.
Hindi nakapag-save na siya sa Pilipinas.
Si Sabret.
Oo, nag-separate doon eh.
So, ang ganda, very festive yung mood dito. Sunday, ang daming tao sa labas. Kasi lalo na outside of the church. Kasi mga tao nasa labas. Ang ganda rin ng weather, hindi nag-snow, hindi umuulan. Umuulan for the past few days na nandito kami sa New York. Bago kami umalis for Albany and Niagara. Kasi nakakatuwa lang yun, sobrang daming tao. Lalakad, kumakain, tumatawid. Daming kids. Family day today, it's Sunday. So people are just walking around. So, this is the vibe here.
Kinda. And share it. Yeah. I want like a big one, like yes.
Isa sa pinakamagagandang buildings na nakita ko sa BGC would be JP.
Head toward Madison Avenue.
BGC. Tapos tingnan nyo tong JP Morgan building dito. Parang spaceship. Ito na ata yung flagship building nila. JP Morgan. JP Morgan. Ito yung may ano eh. Parang may light show yung ano niya. Parang may light show siya sa taas. Baka. Sobrang astig eh. Hindi pag umorder ka ng ano, sampalde. Ganyan din sana eh. Sobrang massive oh. JP Morgan building. Sa BGC pa lang sobrang lupit na ng building nila. Pero dito, sa lahat na nagtatrabaho sa JP Morgan sa Philippines. Ito ata yung HQ nyo sa New York. Parang spaceship na. Lupit, sobrang massive. So that is very typical dito sa New York. Sobrang daming mga fire trucks, mga ambulance, mga police siren, non-stop yan na dire-diretso. I don't know kung bakit. Siguro sa taas ng density dito, multicultural, ang dami nangyari. And financial capital of the world, di ba? So hindi naubos yung mga ganyan eksena. So pag kunwari ando kami sa condo, here in the middle of Manhattan, talagang maririnig mo yan non-stop. 24/7, hindi tumitigil. So yun lang. Something to know about. So this is a 30-second video na gagawin natin para makagawa ko ng AI content. And mag-start na tayo mag-create ng maraming AI content coming from this one. And puro 30 seconds, try natin i-upload. And gagamitin natin for a lot of our social media activities. Tapos gagamitin tayo ng kamay, di ba? Para ma-explain yung sarili natin. And tingnan natin kung magiging applicable to. So I'm just waiting for the 30 seconds, and after 30 seconds, we will convert that to HeyGen. And HeyGen, yun ang gagamitin natin to create a lot of AI content. So hopefully you like it. So gagawa tayo ng AI contents, and hopefully hindi masyado halata when we do an AI content here. So we're trying to do an AI content right now for 30 seconds. So maghintay lang tayo ng 30 seconds. I hope hindi masyado halata kasi may mga dadaan na bus sa likuran ko for 30 seconds. Tapos may mga tao rin na dadaan sa likuran ko for 30 seconds. So hopefully yung 30 seconds na yun is more than enough para makakreate tayo ng maraming AI contents gamit ang HeyGen, gamit ang iba-iba pang bagay. So ano to, vlog, 30 seconds, nakatutok lang sa mukha. I hope malinaw, malakas, pero hindi naman kailangan kasi this is just an AI content. So kung gusto mo to, like, share, and follow for more. So doing a 30-minute vlog dito sa likuran ng building na to, and gagamitin to for HeyGen for 30 seconds. And I hope makatulong, magamit natin sa AI. Marami tayong gagawin na mga contents dito. And I'm trying to do as many as possible kasi iba-ibang location dito sa US. It's very important. Gagamitin natin siya na pang background. Mag-iisip ako, tapos gagamitin natin siya mga content. And that pala nakalimutan kong ngumiti kasi ipopromote natin ang Philippines as one of the biggest and main destinations ng AI dito sa US, sa Philippines. AI engineering, AI alignment engineering. Good luck. So, nagtatest ako for 30 seconds in this angle, 30 seconds. And dito sa New York, walang pansinan. Kaya kahit ginagawa ko to, maraming weirdo dito. So, walang may pake. So, recording again for 30 seconds in this angle. Paano ba ganito? So recording again for 30 seconds dito sa angle na to, and dapat ipakita ko na mas ngumingiti ako kasi importante. So all we have to do is wait for 30 seconds, tas hopefully magamit natin to for a lot of AI contents. So magta-try tayo mag-upload iba-ibang angle, iba-ibang location, iba-ibang approach, and hopefully mas maka-attract ng may mga sa bagong content. So magka-create tayo sa bagong content, and I hope payagan tayo ni TikTok kasi that's the challenge. Mag-create ka lang ng bago ngayon, right away siya na shutdown nila. So it's really a challenge na kung paano mag-create ng bagong content. Siguro I'll try it on Instagram, di ba? Instagram muna. Ito, 30 seconds, and nag-iisip ako na masasabi for 30 seconds para marami tayong content at mag-iisip tayo ng maraming bagay pa. Pero let's talk about the Philippines, gaano ka-powerful ang outsourcing sa Philippines, at ano yung mga dapat natin gawin to think about the future of outsourcing, AI engineering, and all the possible things that we can outsource, augment, staff augment, going to the Philippines. So that's why it's very crucial and important right now in this time and age that we should be able to connect multiple countries from New York, LA, and all the way going back to the Philippines. Importante makapagtayo tayo ng command center. Command center is the most powerful thing right now. Command center operation based in the Philippines. Nicolo, ito yung brand ng binili natin jacket sa Vietnam. So that pala, bumili pa tayo ng maraming winter clothing doon. Sobrang magagamit dito. Pero masasanay ka rin eh. Ito na. Saks. Fifth Avenue. Punta natin sila. Dito sila sa loob. Punta natin sila. Second floor. Punta natin sila sa loob. Salamat, mainit. So pauwi na, and here's the problem. Wala akong suot na thermal. Sobrang nag-drop yung temperature right now, gabi. And wala rin akong hoodie, wala rin akong bonnet, wala rin akong scarf. I thought like well, hindi kasi ganun ka-insulated yung jacket na to. Mas maganda yung jacket ko na linabhan. Pero I've been wearing it ever since coming here in New York. So ngayon, ang sinusuot ko medyo mas manipis ng konti. Hindi pa ako nag-thermal sa loob. Hindi pa ako nagdala ng bonnet. Hindi ko nadala yung scarf. So right now, nanginginig ako. Going back to the condo. Anyway, yun yung life at the moment here. Yeah, good. Galing. Ha? Ay, bayad ako sa pagmamahal. Nanay ko, tita ko, kapatid ko, sila Vincent. Ano tayo? Big time tayo sa pagmamahal. Okay. Yeah. Oh, good job sa stickers ah. Alin yun? Alin yung hindi na kailangan mag-login sa Anthropic? Okay. Sige. Tama. Hindi, nakita ko rin yan. Good job. Okay. Nice. Okay. Alright, tara, let's go. Ano mo muna, unshare mo muna, Kent. Kasi i-ano ko lang. I-TikTok ko lang kayo lahat. So, mag-TikTok lang tayo. So, currently it's 10:35 PM my time. Anong time ngayon sa Philippines? 11:35. So, 10:35 PM my time, 11:35 PM sa Philippines. And nandito sila lahat. So, today is Tech Internship. Demo day. So, dinademo nila lahat ng weekly progress nila for every project. Anywhere from, mga traditional developments, AI developments, mga business use cases na ginagawa nila ng yung mga applications na non-tech na nila for every business use cases that we have in the company. So they're very productive and syempre, bittersweet kasi ang dami nilang nagagawa. So that's the sweet part. Bitter part would be mabilis lang yung time nila sa amin. So after mag-bonding, naghihiwalay din kami kagad. So nakakalungkot. Anyway, so siguro dapat tanggalin natin si Josel tsaka si Sean para magkabakante tayo. Para lumuwag. Tapos enjoying the view. Ito yung view of Manhattan. So Midtown Manhattan sa labas. Yan yung itsura. And finally may table ako dito. Pero maleta yung patungan. And finally nagkaroon ako ng productive working area. Okay, dahil na ako sa content ko. Ang okay po, dapat complementing lang siya. So ang okay po, dapat complementing lang siya do sa problem na sinosolve natin. And anong sinosolve nating problem? Dapat simple lang ang problem, how do you say that? Problem statement. So ang problem statement is very simple. So let's start. Here in North America tsaka Dubai, I've met a lot of clients as ang number one problem is not really the outsourcing part. Ang pinaka-problema would be the trust part. Trust is the very problem before outsourcing. Madali mag-outsource. You can meet anybody on the internet now. Pero ang problema yung trust, di ba? So, and trust is basically like how do you extend your business in another part of the world without even going there. Tas wala kang full idea on how it works. So establish trust and simplify the process of engagement. So yun sana yung idea. So parang iniisip kong okay po. Kaya nag-exist ang page, ang mga agents, ang mga portfolio, ang mga links and everything. Ang sinaserve lang niya would be parang bawat tao would be a business unit by itself. So mo, Jonathan, parang business unit ng isang tao, negosyo siya. So ang negosyo mo, for example, usually, ang before, inisip natin mga brands, services, companies, yun yung negosyo that would be using the OkayPo page. Pero, every person who has, di ba, enough talent to offer globally should be a business running by itself. Dapat may business personality, business identity. So, doon nagiging relevant yung OkayPo page. Secondary na lang yung mga agentic side niya. Pero keep it very simple. You have content, you have branded link, tapos may laman yung branded link mo para makilala ka nila. Diba? So that's the very purpose of it. Organized ka, organized, structured, and within a safe and secured environment. Diba? Organized yung content mo, organized, safe and secured in an environment or in a proper working engagement sa Philippines within our office premises. So establish the trust, parang premium service muna. So pag na-establish yung trust, dito naman sa kabilang side, how do you present it properly? So parang okay po, if you think about it, parang Filipino talents being ready for the global customers. Filipino talents organized for global customers. Filipino global talents organized for global customers. So, ganoon siya. So, ibig sabihin, ang okay po, parang sinasabi niya, embody niya, Filipino talent. So, bagay na bagay. Di ba? Okay po. Filipino talent. Filipino talent ready to serve global customers. So, ngayon, kunwari, pag dating na dito, doon na papasok yung convince AI model before. Pero, i-strip out ko na lahat ng technology features niya. Pagpunta mo doon, it's very easy to engage with them. AI native engineers, AI native designers, media, o kaya mga service workforce. Diba? AI native lahat. AI native sa Philippines, tas dito, AI demand. AI service demand naman on the North America side. So magkikita sa okay po, which is like Filipino talents for the world. Gets Filipino talents for the world. So pagpunta mo sa okay po, saan papasok yung mga ginagawa nila Josel ngayon, mga documentation. Basically, how would they trust you if you don't have enough proof of your work? So nandun yung mga naglalag ka, nagjo-journaling ka, mga portfolio mo, andun din yung LinkedIn mo. So basically, it's an all-in-one page plus resource ng lahat ng information and work mo. Makikita mo under your page. So ang consumer ng page, tsaka lahat ng AI technology, tsaka mga journaling, tsaka documentation. So it's basically teaching the kids of the future, ito mga interns natin, tinuturo sa kanila na keep on documenting. Kasi ang hirap na lalaban ka to basically get the trust of another person na wala ka man lang any documentation of your work. And yun din yung gusto ko i-advocate sa lahat na now is not the time na mahiya tayo, hindi ako nag-vlog, hindi ako nag-TikTok, whatever. Pero it doesn't matter, you need enough proof to show that from the another part of the world, kaya kanila pagkatiwalaan. Kasi you have enough equity online, di ba? Equity, credibility, and reputation. Online, virtually, na validated na hindi nila kayo kailangan magkita, hindi nila kailangan mapad ng Pilipinas for them to trust you. Di ba? Documentation is key. So parang okay po, ginagawang, it's basically an entire application for you to document your work. And then yun yung ibebenta dito as proof in the North American side. So, ibig sabihin, tanggal lahat ng technological features. Yun lang talaga, problem statement. AI workforce. AI native workforce. For the AI, for the future of AI economy. AI economy future. Okay, yun na. Sige, thank you.